Hi, this is demonstration of CamTrap AI image classification system. This system first take the input for from the user about the images, and then ask the user to select how many models or which models they are going to use for classification. And then it will show the classified images and ask the user feedback. So these are the models at the moment available in the system. If we select all, the system will uh, use all these models to classify the images, and the user can upload images using their computer. So we are going to upload 100 images, which is the limit in the system. It can be changed, but sorry. So we are going to upload 100 images from our system. First, the system will show the images to the user to verify if everything is according to what they are going to upload. And then we already selected the models, and then we select on the classify images button. If anything selected mistakenly, the reset button is there to reset the whole tool. Since we didn't have any mistaken, so we can start the classification process. So once the images are uploaded to the system, we will have a progress bar, which will show us the um, progress bar, which will show us the process. Once the progress bar is completed, we will have another interface which will give us the details about the detected animal or objects in the system. So once this is done, we can have the instructions here. These can be hidden, and there is a video demonstration on how to use this tool. If you click here, you will be able to watch the video how to use the whole system. Um, yeah, so you can hide the instructions to save the screen area, so that will allow more pictures to be adjusted. Once you click on an animal, an object, the system will load all the images from that object. It will take some time because sometimes the system takes processing time in the back end. So uh, depending on the system performance where you're uploading the software, that's why we have to sometimes wait for uh, the system to respond. So I'll monitor and make sure and refresh. I will refresh when the connection is completed or the process is completed. So say 100 images sometimes take 2 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on the performance of the system. Since I'm using on my laptop, which is of course a normal system, it will take more time than usual. In the actual run, this system will be running on AWS with the GPUs. So that will make it faster and provide frequent response. So so now the system is almost completed. It is calculating the the box images and everything. So yeah, so I can see the system has done the images. It will probably take 5 more seconds to be able to show the URL. And okay, so we load the images, 100 images, because we uploaded 100 images. We don't have more. So we will see the images we uploaded almost are from one animal. So, but the systems recognize these images from different types of animals. So what we can do is we can double click on the image and look at it. We can zoom it by a single click and zoom it again with another click. we can click on show box button if there is a boxed images available in the system. So at the moment, the box images are not available. So the image will not show. Otherwise, there will be a box on the object which is detected. Uh, so we will close it and we will go to other animals and double click and see if there is yeah, so the system will allow and it will need all animal names to be clicked in order to exit or load to the next. Since we have only 100 images, there is no need to go next. There is a feature called select all, which will select all the images. Most of the times, if the images are wrongly classified, and there are 50 images, instead of clicking every image one by one, user can click all images um, by select all. Okay, once we have the image selected, user can change the um, name or type of the image, or there is a so you can edit the name and it will come up. If there is if two type of objects, it can add another name. So let's say I click here. So the scientific name and non no name you can add um, in one. So update name, it when you move selected images, so this one will go to a new tab here, and the confidence is 100% now because it is human classified. So, and this will be feed it into new machine learning model. It is an iterative process. So this is continuous learning of models, and with the human feedback, it will update it accordingly. So these are the features. If the image is not, for example, if image has no use, for example, this image is not usable. So you click here and move selected, it will be not usable section. And the image mostly are empty, for example. Uh, so for example, this image is empty. Um, we can say no animal or human in this image. Move selected, no animal or human area. So all these images has to be clicked. All these animal buttons has to be clicked in order to load the next images if you have uploaded more than 100 images. And then a user can press exit to exit the system, and then click to download the result file, uh, so um, they can visualize there and save their result. So the result file will provide the name of the image and uh, what what is your classification from the human being. So this is the system. Uh, any questions? I mean, you can ask on GitHub or email at the CamTrapAI group. Thank you very much.